Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's go! Calculus all those 320 words. Nice. Betting time is open. Alright. Did you each better and hearing you introduce? Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for the new round. Here we go. The final skits. She's a lady girl. I'm a lady girl. Can't even possible to be a lady girl though. No, I'm a crazy girl. I'm a crazy girl. That's close. Hey GP, you're back. So what kind of movies do you have on the list now? That's close. What kind of movies do you have on your list? Alright, and we got here 3x on the multiplier and the battery charger. Oh no, did you just call me a mommy? No, that is the worst one. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the third lightning storm, number 9. Let's go.
Lightning storm.
Time to go to rooftop. Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Lightning Storm Rooftop. Look at that, where did we get? Alright, so decision time's open. Ladies and gentlemen, you have right now 13 seconds to choose. First, second, third strike. Most players choosing the second one. Alright. Final seconds, and ladies and gentlemen, the decision time is over. Okay, the first strike. What are we getting? Oh! Let's go! So the max you can get here is 1,200. Let's go! 30, 45, 60. We got here 135x multiplier. And let's go to the second one. 400 and 100! 500x multiplier for the second strike. Ladies and just the third one. We're getting an additional multiplier. Let's go. 2x, the max on 800. Woo! 30, 40. Alright, the 70x multiplier for the third strike. So ladies and gentlemen, first strike 135. Second one 531. 70x. Compliments. Welcome back. 1,500 while we're betting times up in GA. Solid and Jason get top winners all with a 500x multiplier. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go with the final seconds. Are you ready? That's close now. Wish you the best of luck. Here we go. That was awesome. I agree with you guys. That was awesome. Alright, now wish you best of luck, Jason.
Get a bonus. Are we climbing our way back in Breed Stevening number 2? Battery charger. Max multiply 40x Breed. 8th battery. Let's see what you got then. 15x first battery. We did not get the first battery. We're going for a 7x. It's a red. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the time. This is the time to shine, everybody. Good enough for me, mate. I'll take it. We got 30x on battery charger, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Congratulations, everybody. We got 1,010 winners. 20, 30x top winners. You got Sick Them Jail. We got Real. We got Lucky Man. Well done to you. Woo, bro. Things are looking up finally, aren't they? After a big dry streak, finally getting some nice multipliers here, eh? Alright then. Betting time is over, ladies and gentlemen. Evie, go on. Game. Oh, not bad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big spin for the big win. We got 5x1, 5x7, 5x15, 15x12. Come on, Wheel. Do a solid, Mr. Wheel. I believe in you. 5x15, mate. 5x15. Come on, Wheel. Come on, you can do it. You got this. Sure. Yes, sir. We got that winning number 15.
Lightning storm.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's get it. in town, baby. We got that 5x real multiplier on that 8. Oh boy, look at that big number. Look at that big juicy 2000x. You could even get local multipliers too, everybody. Before we get to have fun though, you gotta pick one of these lightning strikes. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Would you look at me? No difference between them besides which one goes first, second, and last. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're ready, but I hope you're ready to starting off at lightning strike number 1 with a local multiplier of an X2. Ooh, buddy, 4000x, 2000x, 1000x, all of them. All 4 rounds, ladies and gentlemen. Come on then, a big band. Come on, a big lightning storm. Okay, I'll take that. 200, 150, that's it. 350 and some. Lightning strike number 1. Alright, everybody, we go next, we go next. You go to lightning strike number 2. The most popular pick will it get hit. 150, 50, that's a 200x on lightning strike number 2. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hold on tight. You got a last ray of hope, last ray of sunshine. Lightning strike number 3. Come on then. Hey, yo, there you go. 50 or 50, 575, let's say 625x. I'll see you back at the relay. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, being chilly.
Oh, dude, that's like one of my favorite songs. So let's go. Opinion on Alice in Chains. I love it, man. I love it. Man in the Box is nice. Brewster is nice. What else is nice from the Alice in Chains? There were a lot of songs I did enjoy back in the day. Let's leave, guys. One time pad. Even though it's a lot of these chases, storm chases, plays bedtime. Does Winston, how you be doing, my friend? Handshake. Handshake, Mr. Winston. Slither body. Man in the Box. I love the guitars, by the way, from Alice in Chains. I really love the guitars. And they made the really good music back in the day. It's really awesome. I basically grew up listening to Nirvana, Ozzy Osbourne, Black Sabbath. Andy, I saw you here and I thought you would be great, but actually it's not. I get the bad ones as well, Nadia, my love. I get the bad ones as well. That was barely there. So let's go. Number 1, guys. And that's
Lightning storm.
Lightning Storm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the elevator. So let's go. Let's disappear on the roof. Woo! Let's go. Why yeah. Man. Scorpions brings back some memories. I still have some old CDs back in my house. So choose your calls, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go, everybody. And we have additional multipliers on bottom left. So we might get those well. 2, 3. All right, there we go. Additional multipliers. And 2x. 800x is going to be the maximum right now. We are looking good here, boys and girls. Let's go. Okay. Let's bring some lightnings in. Come on. 40, 20. Come on. We need bigger. That's a 60x only. Come on. That's only a 60. I mean, that's a good multiplier. But still, we need bigger. We need bigger. Come on. Give me the high lightning strike there. Come on. Woo! Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. 500x right in it. Boom. We got electrified. Yeah. Come on. I need this, man. That's like, this music is like a straight injection in my bloodstream. All right, peace out, guys. Peace. Gotta go back to studio. All right, elevator, calm down here. Okay. All right, we got 788 viewers. Good job, guys. Compliment to everybody. Man, it's cold outside there. There we go, guys. That's a lucky man number guy. Top 3. Good job, guys. Compliments. 500. Lisa, you're welcome, baby. Woo! You're welcome, Lisa. 500x, OMG. All right, track number 2. Yeah, Ellie, you're welcome, baby. That's a nice one. No problem, Lisa. It's me or Lightning Storm host stay longer than other game. I never saw the whole map, only the new one. What would that be, like season 5, season 6? I'm not sure, you tell me. It's gonna be 2 for the legs, 4 for the body, and 5 for the head. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the round. With that, we got an 11x multiplier and a monster. Boom! Nice. Congratulations. Yeah,
Yeah, season 5. Okay, yeah. I guess so, season 5. When did you start? Did you start sooner or later than that? Let's keep it moving, guys. Do-do-do-do. Season 4. Ooh, man, you're a veteran of the game. Nice. What was the first champion you started to main? I think my first main was, I used to actually play NASA, like NASA's top lane. That was my bread and butter, bro. That was the only champ I played pretty much. Yo, we got a 3x on the lightning storm. Woo-wee, baby. Let's go.
Lightning storm.
Let's go. My wife. Here we go, guys. I'm on top of the world. Woo! Let's get it. Welcome to Lightning Storm. You know the rules, and so do I. Guys, let's add that 3x multiplier, and now you have to choose one of the strikes. First, second, or third. You know what's up. Let's go. Multi 2x. All right. 900x for the first one. Sheesh. $120x for the second. And 135x for the third one. Congratulations to all the winners. First strike, looking big. We got 1,000 winners. I'm going to be Mr. Space with the 27,000. Oh my days! 900x? Are you for real? Yo! Nah, that's insane, bro. Let's go. Hey, congratulations to all the winners either way, guys. Thanks for the game. Don't forget to cash out some of those winnings. Yeah, boy! And the spin is made. Good luck.
Dad, you lost everything in one spin of the leap with me, Thanos? Man, either you did not have a lot, or you risked a lot. Risking at the start of the session like that. As you know, guys, a working strategy, yo. We are having another leap segment. My goal was to the place and pick the leaf yet to gain over 300 wins, best in times open. Ooh, okay, I see you had a bit of a leaf streak going on, so we're working on breaking it down. Sometimes the changes take time, guys, don't forget this. Above your patience, above your kindness, and things will go well. Best in times have a thank you. Ball! Maybe a bit of Simona power will help us. Come on, any bonus round? But the first battery would be better. Hi. Oh! I almost lost the hope, guys. You see, I'm the preacher that doesn't follow her own preaching. We got a battery charger with a 4x will multiply. That will be our first bonus round of the session. And so the highest option is 400x right away. Pretty huge potential for the bonus round here. Let's get it down, baby. Yeah. Good luck. 60x goes red. Okay, we have bad options up here. 8 goes red. Woohoo! 80. We're not staying there. 20x, no please. No. Okay, now we have the full
Hello, Snake. How you doing? A little snaky snake. And it's gonna be the leave segment, everybody. We got a 1-to-1 payout in the house. Congratulations, everybody. That are 288 winners, top 171 euro in betting time on yours. You joined Lightning Storm, right? So happy to see you. Don't forget about the Storm Chaser X. Chaser is an option. 7X on the battery charger. We out. Let's go. And this is 7X on the number 12. Let's go, everybody. Woo-hoo! We got a battery charger with a 7X. I don't know if you're ready, but we got it. We did it. Hooray. 525X to be the highest. Let's go, everybody. Boom. No 70. Let's get up to 525. No 210. Okay, we're getting closer. No 21. That's perfect. What about 140? No 140, what about double? Let's go with Tamarind! Woo! We were! No 70, we're getting closer. What about 1,050? Oh man, it's getting scary! What? Look at that! 1,050X in a battery charger! Charger about to close. Go, go, Power Rangers. We have 20, 22, 32, 20X is the highest on hotspot. Wow, 2 20X is on hotspots. Let's go.
Everybody. 2X on 2 of them, 7X on the battery charger. All right, we got a battery charger, everyone, with a 7X. Woo. Yes, sir. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the lovely battery charger. 7X, everybody. Let's add it up. Ooh, these are going to be some crazy stuff. 700X max multiplier. Ole! We did it, everyone. The 700X first battery in and out. We got it. Beautiful win, everyone. Congratulations to the lovely winners. Where's that guy that wanted the 500X? Bammy, the top one at this time. Congratulations to you. 33,000 euros. Nice, nice. There you go. That's some good stuff. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful win, everyone. 3 wheel multipliers and
Okay, amazing number 8 with a 10 times multi hotspot. Dollars, 10 times the multiplier for everything. 1K, guys. Let's do this. All right, here we go. Look at what is Congratulations. We got dollars. Beautiful. All right, this was amazing. We got the 1000x multiplier here in the house. Congratulations. Let's roll. All right, same as always, around nobody time. Enjoy. Where's more? I mean, I like rain, yeah, but not the winter. In winter, I'm expecting everything to look white, snowy, and beautiful. I didn't build a snowman already for 2 years. I'm sad. 3 and 7x on Fireball. I love winter. I really love winter. Also, my birthday is about winter. Now, don't be a chance one. Whoa! Let's go. 7x on Fireball in our hands. Welcome, welcome. 3,500 from now on is the high school season. Wow. Let's see what we'll get. Well, still good, still good. Compliments you with Trace. Where was 250? Okay, anyways, here in Tokyo we have got 530 victories. Manic is in the first place, Mr. Reno second, and in third place we have got Gabriel. Now betting time and John. I love it here, Ritvar. I love it here. Last thing now about to place and John. Last Fireball was 210x multi. We take that close to 1400. Yeah.
So let's go, guys. Thank you guys for listening. 60 minutes. Good job, guys. Douglas, G, Jackie, Mackie, and only top 5. Good job, guys. Let's go, guys. Не стой, последнее решение. Гангстер, прости, братан. Гангстер, прости, брат. Извиняюсь. Прости, брат. He said, don't stand close to the wheel. He didn't see the segments and stuff. I said, I'm sorry. In Russian. And he's here. 49ers, what's up? Good to see you, man. Welcome aboard. Victor. So let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Go bonus says, Ayank. All right. Oh, man. Come on. Give me number one. One. Woo! 10x fireballs, baby. Woo! Come on, give me that thing. Oh, yeah. All right, eye on a tiger, guys. Let's go, guys. Victor. 10x everything. Max multiplier gonna be 5,000x. Woo! Look at the board. Look at the board, guys. It's all red. Oh, good luck, everybody. Come on, Victor. Do your magic. It looks like a 500x, I think. I don't know what it is. 5,000x! 5,000x! Holy moly, broccoli. That's big Victor right there. Woo! Yeah. Holy moly, baby. This is insane. That is my biggest multiplier for the day, for the lightning storm, all times. 1,039 winners. Good job, guys. Woo! Burn, baby. We got him.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose, and the economic system. to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.